Want to recover deleted WhatsApp messages from Android phone without backup? If yes, this video is for you. Watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the link in description and pin comment to restore deleted WhatsApp messages on Android phone. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on Android phone. So if you have lost your WhatsApp data due to accidental deletion or software update issues, lost or damaged device, then watch this video full, and by the end of this video you will also be able to recover your deleted WhatsApp messages on Android and iPhone. So finally, let's start this video and know how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on Android phone, and for this we will be using RecoverGo WhatsApp. This is an unique WhatsApp recovery software for iPhone and Android which can recover deleted WhatsApp messages, contacts, photos and 10 plus file types on iPhone, Android devices at once. With this we can also recover WhatsApp business messages along with WhatsApp data. Works regardless how we lost WhatsApp or WhatsApp business data, RecoverGo can recover it. We can also restore WhatsApp data from iTunes backup, can also export WhatsApp data to PC and offers high-speed WhatsApp data recovery. The best thing is that no technical expertise is required. Just connect your device, select the feature and recover WhatsApp data. That's how easy it is. Let's give it a try and click on free download. RecoverGo free download starts. Once done, click on it to start with installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation. Once done, click on it to open RecoverGo WhatsApp. Here we have RecoverGo WhatsApp with all its features and capabilities. We can do much more with RecoverGo WhatsApp, but today I will show you all how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. But before I start, let me show you the data I am looking to recover. Here is my Android phone which has WhatsApp chats with images, videos and voice notes. Let's delete some of them, and now I will try to recover them using RecoverGo WhatsApp. Here I am back on the software and clicked on recover deleted WhatsApp data from device. Now we need to connect our device to computer via USB. Once connected, we will be required to enable USB debugging mode on our phone depending on phone model. Follow the steps to enable developer mode and then enable USB debugging, and then turn on install via USB. After that, our phone gets connected and we are provided with two options: recover WhatsApp data or recover WhatsApp business data. As we are looking to recover WhatsApp data, click on this, and here we need to be logged in on WhatsApp in device, else data will not be recovered. Click on logged in, continue. Here you can see the complete step-by-step process to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. It starts scanning to check and backup WhatsApp data. Here we will be required to open WhatsApp and do backup for WhatsApp data. Follow the steps to complete backup process. Once done, click on backed up, continue. Next, it will uninstall and install WhatsApp version. Give storage permission to WhatsApp by following the steps. Once done, click on next. Next, we will be required to activate WhatsApp account and restore backup. Follow the steps. Enter your number and verify it using verification code. Once done, it will now ask to restore backup. Restore backup and then enter your name. Now we will be logged in into our WhatsApp. Once done, click on next. Now it will start scanning for WhatsApp data and comes up with all the messages, contacts, images, videos and all other data found. Now from here we can select the data we want to recover. Selected the chats and data. Now click on recover. It will start recovering WhatsApp data and comes up with confirmation: data recovered successfully. Click on OK, and now here we have a folder on desktop containing all the recovered WhatsApp data in HTML form with all the images and videos recovered. Wow, so awesome work from RecoverGo WhatsApp. We have recovered all our data from WhatsApp chat, including images, videos and voice notes as well. That's fantastic. That's how easily you can also recover WhatsApp data using RecoverGo WhatsApp. Now you may ask, is RecoverGo WhatsApp free? Well, it's not free. We will require plans to recover WhatsApp data using RecoverGo WhatsApp. So now let's talk about pricing plans for RecoverGo. Here we are back on official website. Now click on see pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for RecoverGo WhatsApp for Windows. Choose a plan as per your requirement. So effective, affordable and easy to use. I will highly recommend you to try out RecoverGo WhatsApp if you are looking to recover WhatsApp data, and if you want to, find the links in description and pinned comment. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Double Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.